In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Basecamp reports in Google Sheets. We're going to start right inside your Basecamp account, because the first thing you need is access to the export feature. This is important. Only account owners can do this, so make sure you're signed in with an account that has the right permissions. If you don't see the options I'm describing, you may need to ask an account owner to run the export for you. Once you're signed in, look toward the top area of your Basecamp window. Depending on your layout, you'll either see your profile picture or a small home icon in the top corner. Go ahead and click that. This opens up your account-level controls, which is where Basecamp hides all the tools for managing your data. From here, the next step depends on which version of Basecamp you're using. If you're on Basecamp 3, you're looking for a section called Admin Land. This is the administrative area where you can control high-level settings and exports. If you're using Basecamp 4, you'll instead head into Settings. Functionally, they serve a similar purpose. Both are centralized places where you can manage the account, projects, and data. Once you're in Admin Land or Settings, take a moment to scan through the options. You're specifically looking for wording along the lines of Export Data or something that says Download an archive of your data. Different accounts and versions may phrase this slightly differently, but it will clearly mention exporting or downloading your information. When you click that export option, Basecamp begins preparing an archive of your account data. This usually comes as a zip file, and inside that zip, you'll find a series of HTML files and folders that contain your projects, messages, and other content. Because this can be a lot of information, especially for larger accounts, Basecamp doesn't usually download it instantly. Instead, it processes the export in the background. After a short while, you'll receive an email from Basecamp with a secure link to download your archive. Keep an eye on your inbox, and remember to also check your spam or promotions folders if you don't see it right away. When that email arrives, click the link and save the zip file to a location on your computer that you'll remember. This exported archive is what you'll later use to build your custom reports inside Google Sheets.